Hi everyone, I want to talk to you briefly about the NETWORTH100X product, the tool that we've built. It's a revolutionary tool in that what it does is it doesn't just provide you with a calculation of your net worth today. It allows you to look ahead and to predict your net worth depending on your focus, on your capabilities. So it allows you to say where I am now, how many years to when I want to retire, and what potentially could my net worth build to if I change the way I behave, if I change the way I approach life, if I change the way I earn income, if I change the way I handle my finances. So this looks at your behavioral changes, and it looks at the way you're going to go forward, and it predicts your net worth based on what you've earned to date, and looks at what you're going to change, and it's just the most amazing product. So I say to you, have a look at it. We've got a great website here, a great page that's going to give you some great insight into the tool and how it works, and download it. It's $47. It's nothing, and it can make a huge change in your life in terms of your net worth. You've got to start focusing on things that count for your future. Forget about what's here and now. Forget about the great car, the fancy car, the fancy house. You want to build wealth for the future, and that's what this tool does. It allows you to focus on the things that are really going to count. So I say to you, have a look at it. Download it, buy it. $47 is nothing, and in today's world, and see how it goes. Let us know how it goes. Let us know how it changes your life. Let us know how you've managed to take your net worth from X to 2X to 3X, hopefully to 100X. So thank you very much for taking the time to listen to me, and take a good look, and hopefully you'll download it.